Maxim is a semiconductor company. We design, develop, and manufacture analog circuits. We had to consolidate our entire manufacturing process to run seamlessly to help ensure we have adequate inventory control to empower innovation. SAP brings us a single instance and data flexibility. SAP Commerce Cloud and SAP Data Cloud allows us to navigate from start all the way to the end with a click of a button. Now we have integration of our customer profile, our product management, and the entire life cycle of our commerce. The engagement with our customers, whether it is sales or operations, now we have much better visibility. We have a seamless integration. We can better serve our customers to understand their needs. We always like to be on the leading edge of understanding where SAP is going, align our roadmaps, and making sure that we are making right investments to help our business and our customers.